how to change your shipping address on Amazon after placing an order. So let's get started. First, open the Amazon website on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, don't forget to sign in. Next, tap on the three horizontal bars. And here, tap on See All. Here you can find returns and replacements. Now scroll down and find the order for which you want to change the address. Tap or click on the order details or order summary link for that order. Tap in the order details page, look for the change button next to the shipping address. Tap or click on change and you will be prompted to select a new address or add a new one. Select the new address from your list or tap add a new address to enter a new one. Make sure to review the changes and tap save. Please note that you can only change the address for orders that haven't shipped yet. And if the change option isn't available, it means your order is already being processed or shipped. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to change your shipping address on Amazon after placing an order. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends.